Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer here at Wickens Engineering. I'm here to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today we're asking, what are the weight capacities that cantilever racking can accommodate? Within reason, cantilever racking can be designed to suit your exact requirements. From light duty of 50 kg per arm up to 3 tonne per arm in a heavy duty application. Your manufacturer needs to consider things such as your product depth relative to the arm depth within their design. If that depth varies, they will need to consider things like front loading and non-uniformly distributed load within their design. I'd recommend contacting a structural engineer or a racking expert to discuss your exact requirements. If you've got any more questions, please contact us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.